Welcome back to the engine room. Got the bikes out today. Dean's given some final adjustments to the XR80. He's put up a nice video of full carb rebuild, ultrasonic cleaning, and he was just running this thing around, got it nice and warm, playing with the tuning a little bit, and getting it right. He adjusted the needle valve on the slide because it was a little lean in the top end and the mid-range, so getting it all dialed in. This bike runs really well. Great shape for a 2003. Very low hours. Got my CT200U. Got the old $30 carburetor kit. It's been super temperamental. Runs okay, but it's time for an improvement. So got a PE24 Nibby carb. Just put that on. Dialed in 108 main jet. And runs really well. Idles well, too. So we got the XR80, my CT200U, and my brother's CT200U with the stock Predator. So take these things out for a rip.
Too much heat. It's the coil. It's the coil.
Yeah. How'd it go? You're wide open coming down that hill?
Yeah, that's why.
That's why. I don't like the RPM.
Doesn't like the heat. There it goes. Go ahead, I'll follow. The rollers are really cool. I got some good rollers of you guys.
Did you
I
really?
got this on, yes. That's why I was trying to get you to go ahead of me, because
Yeah,
it looks so cool.
The scenery, man. I'm just,
It's so pretty.
yeah, just enjoying it.
So pretty.
Right.
It's a nice ride.
Yeah.
Just need to let mine cool off every once in a while. If I hold 4,500 RPM, I'm good.
Really?
No problem.
Okay.
It's when I get up into 6,000s,
We'll follow you
it
then.
doesn't like it.
That's fine.
No, I mean, that pace was fine. Let me go back up that way. That's awesome. You okay? What's the matter? Your tires are no good? Keep going, yeah. Somebody's burning oil? Is that you? Oh, your chain. Is it? Oh yeah, your chain's hot.
That's not good.
Oh well. His chain is hot. It's kind of tight. Yeah. What is he burning oil?
He's smoking.
Slow down. Slow down. Stop. You're smoking like crazy. Oh, it's the brakes. Are you riding your brakes? I'm on fire. Were you riding your brakes a lot?
Not really.
No, that could be just a...
Put it in the thing. You ride the brake? The brakes.
Were you riding the brakes?
I don't think I am.
All right.
When I was going up that hill,
Yeah.
and when I do, I mean, I stop,
Yeah.
the brake hung up.
Well, you also hit the water too. Maybe there's water in there.
Oh, that goes smelling.
Yeah.
Yeah, you smell rubber though.
All right, send it. All right. What's squeaking? It's that back. It's that back brake. You want to take 5? Hang on. Let me take a look at it.
Well, my brakes are loose. They're loose now, so like.
Look at how much paint is off of there. Let me see it for a second. Yeah, they're locking up.
They're locked, yeah.
No, they're retracting though. All right, let's just drive home.
Alright.
Just send it. I'll get new brakes
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
It's just the
I'm not worried-
pads
I'm not worried about getting home.
and the paint. Send her, bud. We'll cruise. We'll go slow.
I'll go first, I guess.
Yeah, you lead the way. And we'll watch it. We'll see how hot it gets if we need to. That was fun going up that.
That was awesome.
That was cool.
You stopped though, that's why I hit a rock. I hit a bad rock and I had to stop.
Uh-huh.
And then you can't start it. Yeah, that's why I kept going again. I was like, I get to stop. I kept spinning. That was like, that wasn't easy.
That was cool. Well, you were spinning a lot. I had grip. I had no problem going.
I was spinning.
You were just spinning that rear tire. Home, James. smoking the belt. Hang on. It's smoking the belt because now you're trying to... It's only locking in the one direction, so you just need to go in reverse the whole way.
Oh yeah.
See? Freed up.
They're freed up?
Yeah, it's probably the P...
Just don't use it.
Yeah, just don't use it.
Yeah, go back.
Use it as little as possible.
Yeah.
Because what happened was the pad probably came off of the aluminum, and now it did this over the other one. So is it smooth right now? Yeah, don't use the brakes.
Is it smooth?
You're good.
Yeah.
Just drive it home.
All right.
We'll stay behind you. If you need to stop, you stop.
Cool.
No good? Back it up. Go in reverse. See how it frees up? Now try it again. Here, switch. Ride mine. I'll get it to go. I'll get it to go. Just be careful of the wheelie. See that? Oh God.